issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Socorro County in central New Mexico, southwestern Torrance County in central New Mexico, until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Ago, or 34 miles northeast of Socorro, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Socorro and southwestern Torrance counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Socorro, and Torrance. You are listening to WXJ34, broadcasting on a frequency of 160.